students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today our exercise is 1.2 for Karnataka state syllabus and 5.2 for CBSE and NCERT and 6.2 that is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana state students. Okay, before video we complete the question up to 3 questions, right? 1, 2, 3 we completed. So today we will discuss question number 4. Before going to start our lesson, please subscribe and like the channel. And don't forget to share my videos. Okay? Thank you. Let's start our class. What they given? Which term of the arithmetic progression 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78? This is our question. Okay? What is the 78 here? What is 78 here, ma? 78 means which term it is. Actually, this is the term 1, term 2, right? Term 3 and term 4. But 78, which term it is? We need to find this. Okay, we know that general form of arithmetic progression is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and so on, a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and what is this? Nth term, that is Tn. Okay, so we need to know which term it is. Let us take let nth term that is Tn is equal to 78. Just assume that nth term will be 78. Okay. What is the first term here? First term, that is T1 is equal to A equal to what? 3. Okay. Next, need to know common difference. Common difference. What? D is equal to T2 minus T1. What is T2? Term 2, that is 8 minus what is term 1? 3. What is 8 minus 3? That is 5. Okay. So, next, we know that nth term of arithmetic progression what? Tn is equal to this formula. A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. See here, what is d here? D is common difference. Common difference. What is n here? Number of terms. N is number of terms. Okay, what is Tn here? Tn is nth term. Tn is nth term. Okay, what we need to find? We need to find n. Number of terms we need to find first of all. Then we can easily solve that which term it is. That is 78. Okay. So, how can you do? What is Tn here? Already Tn is equal to 78. Write down 78 is equal to. What is A here? A. 3. Right? Plus, we need to find n. Write as it is. N minus 1 into. What is common difference? That is 5. 78 is equal to 3 plus 5 into n. 5n minus 5 ones are 5. Multiply 5 to inside. So we get 5n minus 5. So what we get here? Our answer 78 is equal to 3 minus 5 will become minus 2. Right? 3 minus 5 that is equal to minus 2 because 3 is smaller than 5. So you keep negative sign. Plus 5n. We need n, no? So take it away here. 5n is equal to 78 minus 2 will become plus 2. 5n is equal to 78 plus 2 what? 80. Okay. So what is n here? Easily you can say n is equal to 80 and this 5 will perform divided by 5. Okay. So 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. And what is the remaining here? 5 6 are 30. How it will become? 5 ones are 5. Remaining is 3. Then 5 6 are 30. So what is the n here? N is equal to 16. So what can you write here? Conclusion therefore. 16th term. 16th term is 72. Which term is the 72? 78. 16th term is 72. So let's go for next question. See here, the fifth question, what they given. Find the number of terms in each of the following arithmetic progression. Okay. What is Tn is equal to formula? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In the Tn means nth term, a means first term, n means number of terms. So we need to find number of terms. We need to find number of terms. I mean, that means how many terms we have in the first question. That is 7 to 205. 7 to 205. How many terms are there? So we need to find n. Before that, we need to know what is A and what is D. So let's start. Already we know what is the Tn. That is nth term is 205. How? Because 7 is the first term, 13 is the second term, third term, and so on. Up to we have n terms. That means this is a Tn. Okay. Clearly we can say the term nth term is 205. So write down Tn is equal to 205. Right? Nth term this is. Next first term we need. First term. That is T1 is equal to A is equal to, that is 7. Okay. Next what we have to find? We have to find D, common difference. Common difference. D is equal to T2 minus T1. That is 13 minus 7 we need. What is 13 minus 7? D is equal to 6. Okay. Common. We found the first term, nth term, and common difference. Now, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So what is Tn? 205 is equal to, what is A? That is first term, that is 7, plus, we need to find n, no? So write down n minus 1 itself into D. What is the common difference? That is 6. It's very simple, no? So let's do, what is the next step here? Next step is 205 is equal to 7 plus, multiply this 6 into n, 6n, minus 6 ones are 6. Okay. 205 is equal to 7 minus 6, we get 1, because those are constant term. So 7 minus 6 we get 1 plus 6n. Okay. Next, take 6n into one side. So 6n is equal to 205. See, this plus 1 will become minus 1. What we get here? 6n is equal to 204. And what is n here? 204 divided by 6. 204 divided by 6. So what we get here? See, 6 ones are 6. 6 threes are 18. Remaining 2 is there. So we get 24. And in the 6th table, where we get a 24? Of course, 6 fours are 24. And what is the n here? N is 34. So write down conclusion here. Hence, number of terms of a given arithmetic progression is 34. Understand? Let's go for next question. See here, second question is also same process. And what we need to find? We need to find a number of terms. That is n. Small n we need to find. Number of terms. Let's start. See, by seeing this question, you are getting a doubt. Ma'am, what is this? 15 1 by 2. Actually, everyone knows that it is in the form of mixed fraction. So, 15 1 by 2 can be written as 15 2s are 30 plus 1 divided by 2. That is 30 plus 1, 31 divided by 2. In the place of 15 1 by 2, you can write 31 divided by 2. Okay. And also I will show you how it will come. Just nothing you'll do. Divide this. 2 31. Okay, 31 by 2. So what we'll get here? 2 ones are 2. Remaining 1. 11 will get. And 2 5s are 10. So what is the remaining here? Remaining is 1. See here. What we are writing? 15 and this 1 divided by, what is the divisor here? 2. So like that I written here. I hope you understand now. So let's start the solution first of all. So what is our terms here? 18 comma 15 1 by 2 can be written as 31 by 2. 31 by 2 comma 13 and so on. That is minus 47. This is term 1, term 2, term 3. This is nth term. We need to find what is n. How many number of terms are there? Okay. What is the first term here? What is the first term? First term T1 is equal to A is equal to 18, right? Common difference D is equal to what? T2 minus T1. T2 what? 31 divided by 2 minus 18. Okay. So multiply this 31 minus 2 into 18, 36 divided by 2. What is our answer here? What is our answer? Minus 5 divided by 2. Why minus 5? 31 is the smallest number to 36. So we get a negative sign. Understand? Minus 5 by 2 is the common difference. So what we need to find? We know that what is the formula of nth term? Nth term, that is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is Tn here? Tn is minus 47. So write down here. We know that Tn is equal to minus 47 and A is equal to 18 and D is equal to minus 5 by 2. And put down here. What is Tn? Tn is minus 47 is equal to A 18 plus n minus 1. N we need to find. So write down as it is. What is D? Common difference, that is minus 5 by 2. Okay. So let's take minus 47. See here plus 18 is in a right side. Then we have to take into the left side. Then what will become here? Plus 18 will become minus 18 is equal to, see, plus n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 will become what? Plus itself, right? N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. So like that only it will come. See, if you have a doubt, how you can write means minus 47 is equal to 18 plus n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is there. So minus 47. See, in the right side we have a signs. No, if we need to take in the left side, the signs must be changes like that. Minus plus 18 will become minus 18. Plus n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 will become minus n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Okay. So now minus 47 minus 18. See here, minus n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. If we send in the right side, it will become plus. See, is equal to plus n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. So this is it. I written here in the direct step. But main process is this. Understand? Okay. So let's start here. What is minus 47 minus 18? Minus into minus plus. 47 plus 18? 65. And in front of 47 we have negative sign. So keep minus. Is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. So we need n, no? So take n minus 1 in one side. N minus 1 is equal to minus 65 into 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. How it will come? Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea? See here. See here. We need to take one side here. N minus 1 is equal to minus 65 as it is. See, this minus 5 by 2 will become in a reciprocal form. Reciprocal form. Because of this is n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. If you have a plus sign here, then it will become minus 5 by 2. Are you getting? So if you want like this, 65 into n minus 1 into minus 3. If you have like this, then how can you write n minus 1 is equal to minus 65. See here minus here. Minus 65 and see minus 3 will become plus 3. If you have like this, minus 65 is equal to n minus 1 plus 4. Plus 4 like this, then how can you write n minus 1 is equal to minus 65 plus 4 can be written as minus 4. But here what they given here into minus 5 by 2. Then we have to take a reciprocal form, that is minus 2 by 5. Understand? cancel. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. So n minus 1 is equal to 13 into 2, 26. Here minus into minus plus 26 we get. But we need n. What is n? N is equal to 26, and see, minus 1 will move to right side, then it will become plus 1. So what is n? N is equal to 27. N is equal to 27. That means how many terms we have? Here we have a 27 terms. How many terms? We have a 27 terms. This is the second one. So let's start next sixth question. Before that, pause the video to note down. Don't forget to note ma. Next, what is the sixth question they are asking? Check whether minus 150 is a term of arithmetic progression. So actually they given the series. So what we need to check? We need to check whether this term is present in this sequence or not. That is the question. So how can you solve this? Let's do. Just assume that this minus 150 is the nth term of arithmetic progression. Just write down like that. Let minus 150 is the what? Nth term of arithmetic progression. That is Tn, that is term n is equal to minus 150. Okay. So this is term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, and here minus 150 is the term 1, n. So this is our assumption. Just I am taking this term n. Okay. What is the first term here? First term T1 is equal to A is equal to what? 11. And we need to find a common difference. D is equal to T2 minus T1. That is 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 3. Our D is minus 3. So what is the term n? Tn is equal to formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is our assumption? Tn is minus 150. Minus 150 is equal to, what is the first term here? 11 plus n. We need to find n minus 1 into D is minus 3. Okay. So if you get n is a positive integer, then our solution is correct. That means then this minus 150 is in the form of in the arithmetic progression. Okay. Minus 150 is a term in the arithmetic progression. Okay. So what we have to do here? Minus 150 is equal to 11 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. So minus 150, see plus 11 is in the right side, no? Take them into left side, we get minus 11 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 150 minus 11, what we get here? Minus 161 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Okay, take n minus 1 in the first side. Take n minus 1 is equal to minus 161. See, this is performing multiplication. So the minus 3 will become divided by minus 3. Minus minus get cancelled. So n minus 1 is equal to 161 divided by 3. So what is n here? N is equal to 161 by 3. Minus 1 will perform as plus 1. What is our answer? N is equal to 161 plus 3 into 1. 3 divided by 3. That is 164 by 3. So if you do division for 164, the 3 5 is 15, 1 remaining, and 4. 3 4s are 12. What is remaining? 2. So you can write 54 2 by 3, right? In the mixed fraction. You can write 54 2 by 3. But what we need? We need a positive integer, right? Positive integer, but it is coming in a decimal form, no? So it is coming a decimal form, right? A decimal form means like this. If you keep point and get 0, and next what is 3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18, and again the remainder is 2. That means we have getting a decimal form. But what we need? We need a positive integer. then only this term minus 150 is a term in the arithmetic progression. Otherwise not. So what do you write in the conclusion? But n should be a positive integer. N should be positive integer. Thus minus 150 is not a term of the given arithmetic progression. Understand? See, next 7th question. Find 31st term of an arithmetic progression whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. That means T31 is equal to 31st term of an arithmetic progression whose 11th term is 38. Sorry, not like that. We need to find 31st term. That means T31 we need to find. Okay. What they given? Whose 11th term? That means T11 is equal to 38 and term 16 is equal to 73. Actually, we need term 31. So before going to find the term 31, you have to find what is the first term and what is the common difference. How can you do this? Already we told in the example. Same process, same method I did. Okay, let's start the solution. So already they given T11 is equal to 38. This is given. What is the formula of T11? A plus preceding number, what? 11 preceding number is 10. 10D is equal to 38. So take A is equal to 38 plus 10D will become minus 10D. Okay. Take as equation 1. So already and also given term 16 is equal to 73. What is term 16 formula? A plus preceding number of 16 is 15. 15D is equal to 73. So now put A is equal to 38 minus 10 into D in equation 2. Let's take this as equation 2. Okay, what is A here? 38 minus 10. Write down 38 minus 10D plus 15D is equal to 73. 38 minus 10D plus 15D, what? 5D plus 5D is equal to 73. So we need the common difference, no? So 5D is equal to 73 minus 38. Minus 38. So 5D is equal to 73 minus 38, what? 73 minus 38 is 35. So 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 38. What is the common difference here? D is equal to 7. We get. So now put the common difference D is equal to 7 in equation 1. In equation 1, what is the equation 1 here? A is equal to 38 minus 10D. So A is equal to 38 minus 10D. A is equal to 38 minus 10 into, what is D here? D is 7. So what is our answer? A is equal to 38 minus 10 sevens are 70. So what is A here? A is minus 32. Understand? Next, what we need to find? We need to find 31st term, na? See, find 31st term, no? T31 we need. So write down here. What is the 31st term here? T31. What is the formula of T31? 31st term is A plus preceding number of the 31 is 30. 30D. So write down what is A here? A is minus 32 plus 30 into what is D? What is D here? D is 7. 7. So minus 32 plus 37s are 210. 37s are 210. So minus into plus minus. What is 32 minus 210? 178. This is our solution. Therefore, write down conclusion. Therefore, the 31st term, that is T31, is equal to 178. This is our solution. and thanks for watching up to now. In the next video we will continue. Okay, so before that, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like, and don't forget to share your friends, and please learn something in this lockdown period. Okay, bye bye.